Today we're going to show you how to make pizza popcorn. Today we're making pizza popcorn. We're going to be using 3 cups of corn, 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, and we're going to be using this pizza seasoning by Flavor God. We've never tried this before. We're going to give it a shot. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, 3 cups of corn. All right, we're using up the oil and we got the corn in here. We're using Flavor God seasoning today, and if you want to give it a try, there'll be a link down in the description as well as a coupon code for you to get 10% off. All right, we're popping good now. So we got our 2.5 gallons of popcorn here, and now we're gonna put in 2/3 of a cup of the pizza Flavor God seasoning. Just shake that in, close that up, and we'll give it a shake. Oh wow, you can really smell that pizza flavor. It smells really good. All right, let's take a look at this. And there we have it. Pieces are all nice and coated. Let's give them a try. Oh yeah, tastes just like pizza. It really gives a flavor of, if you've ever had pizza combos, that's what it really tastes like. That's really, really good. So if you get a chance, check out the Flavor God seasoning, use the coupon code below, and get poppin'.